Guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to enable hardware accelerations. So guys, if you want to enable hardware accelerations in MS Word, so very easy. Firstly open MS Word. After click on file and here click options. Click and install. Scroll down and here option disable hardware graphics acceleration. So guys, if you want to enable, so uncheck this box, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable hardware graphics acceleration in Microsoft Word. This is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.